This is vegetable sauce you want to try. It's so delicious. So let's make it. First, you want to season your soft chicken. Add seasoning cubes, garlic powder, thyme, curry powder, and salt. You guys, this is my preferred spices. So feel free to add your choice of spices. Massage very well and allow to sit for 30 minutes or an hour to marinate. Over here are my vegetables. I'm going to wash and start prepping. I'll go ahead and fry my chicken. You can cook or grill at this point. I'm not going to fry too much. Once the color is nice and appealing, I will scoop it out. I added onions, garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper to flavor the oil. Once I'm done with the chicken, I will continue with my vegetables. I have washed and deseeded my bell peppers. I will use my food chopper to make the work very easy. You guys, this is where the work is when making this recipe. Cutting up the vegetables might not be easy, but with the mini chopper, it makes it very easy and even fun. Over here are the things I prepped: carrots, spring onions, fresh curry leaves, cooked gizzard, minced ginger, garlic, onions, Colgate, cooked mushroom, bell peppers, and of course my fried chicken. Now it's time to make our sauce because it happens really quick. In a pot, I added my flavored oil which I used in frying the chicken. Add enough onions, preferably white onions, garlic and ginger. Fry until translucent. Next, I'll add my carrots, stir, Scotch bonnet pepper, bell peppers, seasoning cubes, and stir. Now I'm going to add my cooked mushroom and gizzard, stir, and add my chicken stock, stir, cover, and allow to come to a boil. Few minutes later, I check on it and add my Colgate. Add my cornstarch slurry, depending on how thick you want it. Add the spring onions and fresh curry leaves, and of course the fried chicken. Adjust the seasoning if needed. Cover and allow to cook for a minute or two, and it's ready. You guys, this is pot of goodness. I can't stress it. It's so good. Serve and enjoy.